What is up, my Forex for Beginners family? So two months back, when I stepped in the Forex trading world, I just hammered on a lot of scammers. They were like, click this link, join our Telegram group, so we can give you signal so you can trade on. But they are scammers, so I lost my money. But then a man showed up. He said, hope is not a strategy, chart analysis. So he is actually the CEO and instructor of the Forex for Beginners Academy, and he teached me how to interpret the market, how to find sweet spot in the different currency pairs, so you can put your trade in and earn real money. So he made the different video lecture for us, which has the good resolution and the sound quality, which is very good. And also he explained every little thing from a simple trend line to a Fibonacci retracement and a fundamental analysis in a very awesome way. He explained every little detail which is present in the market. And also he made a student group on the Facebook where different student interact each other, and most importantly he review every post, every chart, and give comment about it, and most of the time correct it. So if you guys are new in the Forex world and you really want to learn how to analyze a chart, so you should join the Forex for Beginners Academy, which is absolutely 100% free. You don't even have to pay a penny for it, anything. You just have to come, watch lecture, understand it, post your chart in the student group, and then attain a scale and then earn real money. So thank you, Saad Ali, for giving me especially a scale to trade, and thanks for creating this family Forex for Beginner family. So guys, quickly join the Forex for Beginners Academy.